5 leg exercises for weights lose. 1. Goblet squat, 3 sets of 12 reps. How to do it. To hold a weight or object in front of your chest, stand on your feet just outside the width of your hip. Push the buttocks back and forth, as if sitting on a chair. Keep the chest high and focus on your hips that break below the knee crease. Push on the heels, press the glutes, your booty, and stand up. 2. Pendulum lunges, 3 sets of 10 repetitions per leg. How to do it. Hold a weight or object in front of your chest. Focus forward with the right leg, keeping the left leg upright until the reps are done. Keep your weight on your right heel, push the heel to stand up and quickly step into the recess with the right leg at the back. Complete all reps on one side before changing legs. 3. Romanian deadlifts, 3 sets of 12 reps. How to stand tall with your feet below the hips. Hold the weights on both sides of your hands, or hold a broom handle or mop like a barbell. Bend your knees slightly, then lean on your hips. To keep the spine connected, flex the hips until you feel a stretch on your hamstrings. Press the glutes and return to position. 4. Step-ups, 3 sets of 10 repetitions per leg. How to find a chair, bench, or box to step on. The first step of the stairs may work, too, but it will be a little shorter. Hold one weight on your chest and lift your right foot, placing it in a box. Keeping the chest up and the right lighter straight, push it to the right heel and up the box. Keep control as you return to the starting position. If you do not have a box or something else to get into, start kneeling, keep your right foot forward, and then stand up. Then return to the kneeling position. 5. Hip bridges way, 3 sets of 12 reps. How to do it. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. You should be able to touch your heels with your fingers. Hold a dumbbell, kettlebell, or other object in front of your hips. Brace core, press the glutes, push on the heels, and raise your hips until the shoulders, hips, and knees are in line. Slowly lower your hips and bring them down. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.